coming in as far as Punjab is concerned. The Supreme Court has now made some clarifications which could have an impact as far as the governor versus government issue of Punjab is concerned. The Supreme Court has gone on to clarify that the governor cannot veto legislature by simply withholding assent to bill, that the governor must return the bill to the assembly on withholding assent. This is what the Supreme Court has had to say. For more details, let's quickly go across to Ananya Bhattagar on the phone line with us. Ananya, this clarification by the court is of course important because there was much clarity needed in terms of if the governor withholds the bill, what happens next? Should we now assume that the Supreme Court has made it amply clear?
Well, definitely, this order was dictated last week when the Supreme Court had, in fact, passed an order with regards to the Punjab government's tussle with the Punjab governor. It was the petition by the Punjab government with regards to the withholding of bills. And very, very clearly, the detailed judgment of the Supreme Court is also now out. This detailed judgment copy goes on to make certain observations and clearly holding that, governor, if at all he is withholding any kind of assent to any kind of a bill, that should be sent back to the legislature and for reconsideration. But for the longest time, the governors cannot actually keep the bills hanging with them. Second observation that comes out from the Supreme Court when it comes to this particular issue, that very, very clearly the Supreme Court has time and again said, and in fact during the hearing also, it had said that in a parliamentary democracy, real power vests with the elected representatives of the people of the public. That is, in fact, the legislature, and that's exactly why the governor cannot hold these bills for long. In fact, in the end of that particular judgment, it also goes on to say that the governance is intended to be a constitutional statement guiding the government on matters of constitutional concern, and that's exactly why he cannot hold the bill. In fact, the Supreme Court has also directed the Punjab governor to actually clear those bills and give either his assent or send those bills for reconsideration, and cannot hold back for them for a long time.
All right, many thanks to you, Ananya, for bringing in all those breaking inputs.